A solid body and shining skin is something that everybody needs. An appropriate eating regimen can have a colossal effect, and individuals are rolling out the improvements expected to practice good eating habits. This is one motivation behind why individuals are surrendering carbonated, fizzy beverages that have terrible symptoms. They're searching for more beneficial beverages that can be made at home with accessible ingredients. One such well-being drink is new ginger carrot juice. It will help support the measure of foods grown from the ground you take in, and is useful for your well-being. These two vegetables have a wide range of supplements, similar to multivitamins, minerals, and cancer prevention agents. Here is the reason you should drink new ginger carrot juice. 1. Lifts immunity. This solid juice is useful for your resistant framework, and more established individuals and developing kids can benefit from outside assistance by it. The vitamins A and C in carrots help make insusceptible cells. With regards to carrots, pick the natural kind to support the safe framework. 2. Enhances skin health. There are a couple of supplements in ginger carrot squeeze that lift sound skin and keep skin issues away. Since they are brimming with vitamin A and different cancer prevention agents, carrots are useful for the skin. They keep the skin clammy and square skin breakout, pigmentation, marks, and uneven skin tone. Carrots are a decent case of root vegetables that have beta-carotene, which helps sound skin. 3. Diminishes cancer risk. New ginger carrot juice can normally monitor from disease, due to its hostile to growth, calming, cancer prevention agent, against proliferative, and against metastatic properties. Studies demonstrate that ginger can battle a few kinds of tumors, for example, ovarian, colorectal, lung, bosom, skin, prostate, and pancreatic growth. 4. Advances cardiovascular health. Carrots are useful for your heart well-being. The cancer prevention agents beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein in carrots help battle cholesterol and lower the danger of a heart assault. The potassium in them is useful for bringing down hypertension. Ginger is additionally useful for your heart, since it helps bring down cholesterol levels, control circulatory strain, and prevent blood from coagulating. 5. Controls diabetes. Ginger helps bring down your glucose level and even helps insulin and different medications utilized for treating diabetes work appropriately. It additionally helps stop medical issues that accompany diabetes and uncontrolled glucose. Carrots are likewise useful for diabetic individuals. They have a low glycemic stack and the carotenoids in them enable control to glucose. 6. Useful for digestive health. In the event that you have stomach-related issues a considerable measure, you should include this top-notch ginger carrot juice to your eating regimen. The two ingredients are brimming with supplements that are useful for the stomach-related framework, and in addition the colon. Crude carrot juice chips away at the bodily fluid linings of the stomach and colon, and helps treat blockage. Ginger helps the discharging of your stomach. It decreases sickness, agony, and swelling, and facilitates acid reflux. Likewise, in light of the fact that ginger can enable power out additional to gas, it can quiet an agitated stomach. It can even calm the gastrointestinal muscles, and in this manner stop gas and swelling. Along these lines, put your blender or juicer to great utilize and have a go at making this sound squeeze at home. Ingredients: 4 to 6 carrots, inch ginger root, lemon, cinnamon powder, on the off chance that you'd like, ocean salt, on the off chance that you'd like. Ventures to make crisp ginger carrot juice. 1. Peel the carrots, at that point wash them in running water and dry them. 2. Remove the skin of the ginger root, and wash it well. 3. Put the carrots through a juicer to get the juice. 4. Put the ginger piece through the juicer. 5. Move the juice into a glass. 6. Press the juice of a lemon into the carrot and ginger juice. 7. Include a touch of ocean salt or cinnamon for additional flavor in the event that you'd like. Drink it once per day. It's best to drink it with your breakfast.